Good evening, one and all. My name is Yanganeshwaramsi and my registration number is 19MIC0027. Now we are going to tell about the sum of even numbers in a given series program. Here we add the odd even numbers in an array. Once the command is used to mount the working directory from which DOS box was started, mounts a specific folder from your hard drive. C command is used to change the directories from Z to C. CD command is used to change the directory. Edit.asm is used to edit the file. We use the edit.asm. ASM observation means automatic storage management. Awesome file command is used in 86 assembler that uses Intel syntax from Lincoln debug command is used to command assembled .opt files in the executable, and this is debugged. Command is used to instruction. Now my friend Jayshankar will continue next.
Good evening to all. My name is Jayshankar. My registration number is 19MIC0049. I am here to explain this code. And first two lines are for the initializing the data segment. And at start, it moves data to AX, and next moves AX address to DS, and moves and stores 3000H starting address to SI, and moves and stores 3500H at destination address to SI. Next, it loads the data offset SI into CL register. Next, it increments the value of SI by 1. Next, it moves CH00, loads the value into CH register and loads the value 00 into AL register. Next, it loads the data offset I into BL and then moves OH to DL register. Testing BL, DL and operation of content of BL and value of DL of flag registers are modified. Jump to memory location of if 0 flag is set and the contents of AL and BL register and stores the result in the AL register. Next, it increments the value of SI by 1. Next, it jumps to memory location of value of CX and it is not if it is not equals to 0. Next, it loads the content of the AL register to memory location and it moves to the value. Next, it moves to the value into AH and then it makes INT into 21H. And from here, my friend Rakesh will continue.
I am Chandra Rakesh. My registration number is 19MIC0059. Now I am going to explain you about the step-by-step execution of the sum of even numbers in an array program. Now we execute massum filename dot ASM file to check if there are any errors in the file. Here we got no errors and 0 warnings. Now we execute link filename dot obj file. It will generate 3 files. Now we debug the file with the .exe extension. Now we trace the each line of the code to get the output, to see the output clearly. Now DS registry is moved to AX and SI is set to 3000 and the data index is destination index register is set to 3500. Now we enter the values into data segment 3000. The values as 4, 15, 28, 7 and 8. Now we add the even numbers in this array one by one. Now CL is lower with the content in the SI, that is 3000 is pointed to 4, which is even number. So we increment SI by 1 and CH is set to 0, AL is also set to 0. BL is lower with the content in the SI, which is 3001 register, that is 15, and DL is set to 1. And we test the BL and DL. If both are equal, we add. They are not equal, so we execute the jump instruction and increment the SI, and we loop again into the array to get another even value. And BL is lowered with the content in the SI, and we get next value is 28. Now DL is moved to 1, and DL is set to 1. And now we test the BL and DL, and we execute the jump instruction. Now this is 28 is a even number, so we add AL and BL, and we execute DAA. DAA does the bitwise AND operation on the even numbers and increment the SI, and we loop back again into the to check other values. From here on, my friend Shashank will continue.
Hello, good evening to one and all. I am Shashank. My registration number is 19MIC0025. Now I am going to explain the output of even numbers in a given series. Now the present value of 3003 address is having is 7 value. Now the SI value is loads to BL register. Initially the DL register having the 1 value. Now the test condition is will check the BL and DL registers. The major condition is it is a given number is even or not. If the condition is true, it will add to the both registers. If not, then it will increment another value. Then again it will comes to the end of the loop. Again it will start the loop. Now the value of 3004 register is having 8. Now it will again SI value moves to BL register. Then present value of DL is 01. It will come test the BL and DL registers. Then again it will goes to jump instruction. Then the 8 value is even, so it will add the BL and BL registers both. Then DA is used to convert the hexadecimal value to decimal value. Then it will comes to the end of the loop. Then again it will iterate from the loop, starting of the loop. Now the present value of 3500 is 74. It will goes to the loop. Then it will display the present value of 3500 is using the command of DDS. And now the value of 3500 is 36. It is the sum of even numbers in given series. This is the output of the even numbers in a given series program. Now we are quitting from the program using the command of QUIT. Thank you.